Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of e with the power of x times 4 plus e with the power of x with the power of 5 dx. Okay, so you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. If you define 4 plus e with the power of x as u, then you have to calculate the derivative of each side of this equation, which will be equal to derivative of 4 is equal to 0, derivative of e with the power of x is e with the power of x dx, which will be equal to du. Okay, so now if you substitute these two expressions into this integral, you will get integral of instead of 4 plus e with the power of x, I just write u with the power of 5 times, instead of ex times dx, that is ex times dx, I simply write du. Okay, and this integral will be equal to u with the power of 5 plus 1, that is 6, divided by 5 plus 1, that is 6, plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so all you need to do at this stage is to replace this parameter u with the definition of u, which is given in this equation. Okay, so this will be equal to 4 plus e with the power of x with the power of 6, okay, divided by 6 plus c, because u was equal to 4 plus e with the power of x. Okay, and that is the solution of this integral. I hope you find this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.